Hello, this is Amber Wood, and welcome to my video. Today we are doing a quick little mom look, and I'm also going to be trying out some new makeup as well. Where did it go? Oh yeah, the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer and setting powder. So I'm going to be doing this quick look. I posted an Instagram photo the other day about it, and some people wanted to see a tutorial on it, so I thought I'd go ahead and film that for you guys today. But I wanted to try this new makeup, so we got to check that out too. Now, if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you click down below, hit that subscribe button so you can see all of my videos, and there's a little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. You guys, I'm excited. This is a look I use quite often. This is if you have just a few minutes. Sometimes my son wants to watch Paw Patrol, so I get a few minutes to go ahead and do some makeup real quick before we go. This is not a big fancy look. This is something like you're gonna go run errands, or you're gonna go take him to class, or whatever it is that you're doing. But like I said, it's not real fancy. I just wanna look awake, and I wanna look presentable is the idea. So we're going to start with some primer. I got this one in a BoxyCharm a while back. No Problem primer. It's hard to say, but the company is Touch in Soul. I've been using this primer quite a lot, and I kind of like it. It feels really nice. It's pretty comparable to the Smashbox primer, I feel like. I use that one a lot as well, but it feels good. So what I'm going to be doing, like I said, is just a basic look. If you wanted to add more to it, if you've got more time, obviously, please do so. I do love color and all of that kind of stuff, but this is just a basic look to head out the door with if you've got a few minutes to spare. So I'm going to take my foundation. Today I'm using L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. If you haven't tried this one yet, it's very nice. I like it. This one is the shade 480. This is a Jeffree Star Morphe sponge. I just use that to kind of blot it around the face. And I'm trying to do this quick because, like I said, you're going to have a kid running around, which I very well may have shortly, which is okay because that's part of it, right? Okay. We just blot it around. Then I'm going to use a foundation brush. This is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH03. It's just a short, stubby, round brush. Oh, I got it on my new earring. My mom got me these earrings for my birthday. They're from Francesca's, one of my favorite spots to get jewels. Hit that neck. Don't forget. Gotta hit that neck. Okay, so just spreading it evenly around. If you wanted something even quicker, I would suggest a stick foundation. Those apply a lot quicker. If I'm like really trying to get out the door but want to have something on, I tend to go with that one, the Magic Star. Now the shade I got was C8. They have all the shade ranges online. This one it was kind of neutral, I think, with some olive undertones, which I tend to have, but I'm still pretty fair. Can't get it out. I'm trying to go from the bottom, not ruin the box. There we go. Ooh, you guys, look how lovely. It's so pretty. My God. Now this is pretty fair. I don't know. I may need a little darker color, especially during the summer, but I'm sure it'll be fine for today. Now, packaging, A+. Jeffree, love it. Very pretty. Let's see if I can open it and not ruin it. Oh, now the little dauber is different than what I've seen on the other. It's got kind of a hole in it. And I remember when I was watching his unveiling of the product, he was talking about how it holds more product in there, so you don't have to keep going back in and back in. So that could be kind of interesting. So I usually put my concealer in these spots. So I go under the eyes, next to my nose because I get some redness there. Here because I want to have highlight. Here and here, highlight. My chin gets red, and then I've got some acne scars here I like to cover. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I've already wet my sponge. This is an e.l.f. concealer sponge. I'm just gonna get up in there, and then I use a little excess on my eyelids to help with the eyeshadow. Okay, so I just gotta blend it a little bit more. I also kind of want to do like a wear test with it because, I mean, just putting it on in the video is good, but how are we gonna know if it lasts? Or I have a spot here, I need to do some more coverage. But how are we gonna know? You know what I mean? Like if it lasts or whatever. While that's setting for just a second, I'm gonna go ahead and open the powder. I got the Fair powder because I recently bought Kylie's new setting powder. I have this one. I've been using this one a lot. It's a translucent. Ooh, there it is, translucent. So I use this one quite often, and then the other powder I like is a MAC Prep and Prime. And this one I think is also a translucent. Yeah, transparent finishing powder. So those are the two that I've been using lately. The one I bought from Jeffree is a Fair. Again, packaging. Beautiful. I did hear that the peel off was going to be way better. Ah, look at this. Ladies with nails. Look at what he did. I hope this works. There's a little pull tab. Usually what I have to do is get my tweezers. Ah, comes right off. Look at that. That was so lovely. Usually what I have to do is get my tweezers to get it off, but that pull tab was a great idea. I mean, it's the little things, you know what I mean? Just little things that Jeffree would think about because it's like reality, you know? Okay, well, it looks nice. I'm just gonna say. So far, so good. Okay, so I need to shake it out, I guess. Oh, crap, a lot came out. Ooh. Okay, let me put some in there. Put it back in here. God, I'm making a mess, everybody. You do not need to shake it that much. Let's just say that. Cheese. Cheese and crackles. This is a big Morphe Jaclyn Hill. Ooh, y'all, it smells like food. Oh yeah, he does love sweets. I got too much. Oh my God. I got too much. Oh, but it smells. That's nice. I got it everywhere. It's fantastic. It smells like food, like vanilla, like, I don't know, like a bakery, kind of. It smells kind of like that. So I got Fair. So far so good. I'm really liking. It looks very smooth. You know, I don't see any problem so far. Like I said, I want to do kind of a wear test and tell you guys later on how long it seemed to last throughout the day. But so far, I think it's pretty. Very nice. Okay, moving on. I'm going to do, this is a Morphe Blush Trio. This is Coral is the color. I was trying to do something a little bit different when I got this. My mother and I were talking about, we always wear, you know, the same pink blush. So we were trying to do something different. So I got her a peach one, I think, and then myself a coral. Just trying to branch, you know, just trying to branch it out. You know what I mean? So get a little hit of blush. I'm going to use a Kylie, this is Tequila Tan bronzer. It's very comparable to your Hoola. The colors are really close. You can see. I use the Hoola one all the time. I'm going to get, this is one of Jeffree's Morphe brushes. This short little guy, short stubby guy, just to help with the contour. Now remember, this is a quick guy. Then I'm going to use an angled brush. Kind of blend that in a little bit. You don't have a lot of time. Fan brush. My broken fan brush that I don't want to throw away. Just dust it around the forehead, down the neck a little bit, just for continuation. Get a little hit there, side of the nose, across the bottom. Done. Okay, moving on. Eyebrows. So usually what I do when I don't have a lot of time is I just use eyeshadow. A lot of times if I'm doing some kind of colored eyebrow, I use eyeshadow as well. I don't know, it just works, it's fine. This brush from Jeffree and Morphe is nice because it's got the spoolie on the other end. So I'm just going to get a little bit of, this is a Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. This brown I like for my eyebrows. So I'm just going to fill them in real quick. I always brush down and then fill in the top. And then brush them on back up. Give that kind of natural look. That's it. Quick and easy. So we fill it in. Uh-oh. Got a little crazy. Q-tip! Got a little crazy. Push them down. Back up. And then smooth out. Done. So now I'm gonna go to the eyes. I got something on my face. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm just gonna use this Day Slayer palette from Morphe. I got this one in the Boxy Luxe. It's the every 3 months you get the bigger box and you pay a little extra. Totally worth it. But this palette I use all the time. It's just lots of neutrals. There's a few shimmers, but it's really nice. So this is a Morphe 501. I'm going to Natural, which is a really light beige color. Don't forget to dust. I just kind of put that all over. Just a little backdrop. Remember, this is just a quick mom look. Gotta be quick. I think there's a little orange left on this brush from yesterday. Okay, then I take a little blending brush. I'm going to the darker brown. It's called Dessert down here in the corner. So I'm just going to put that on the outer edge and then a little bit in the crease. Not all the way across.
No.
What? What are you doing? Oh, you got a straw? Look at who we found. A cutie pie. Yeah, Mommy's doing her makeup. Yeah. See, so you may not have a lot of time to get this together. What are you doing? Oh, you stink. He's been outside playing. Cutie pie. Uh-oh, we got a little crazy down below. Hold on. Okay, so, quick. I'm going to take a little fluffy brush. I think this is a Luxie, if I remember correctly. I'm going to go in Define. It's this middle one here. It's kind of a reddish, like a mud color. Yeah, what did he say? Then I'm taking a flat brush with the darkest brown that's in this. It's called Sweet. It's almost black down here. So I'm just going to line my bottom lashes. Gavin! Oh God, he's walking around. And then I'm just going to go about 3/4 of the way across the lid because I'm not putting eyeliner on, so this is going to kind of serve as my eyeliner. And then I like to come out just a little bit because you know I love a cat eye. That's it. Look at that. Look. That is nice. Now, if you wanted to take it a step further and add a pop of color, like let's say you just do like a blue on the bottom, or if you wanted to do some blue eyeliner, like that would look really cute. All I'm going to do though is put the mascara on. I'm going to use Benefit Bad Gal Bang, one of my faves. Hold on, I got to go see where he went. Gavin, come here! Oh, crikey, I messed up. And if you wanted to go even further, you could put a shimmer here in the inner corner, which I may add just to give it a little pop. But again, it all depends on your timing and your kid. I have to go find him. What happened? Yeah, did it fall? He had my phone. This is Jeffree Star Androgyny. Did you have the phone? I had an 80s party the other day, and my old clear phone. There you go, see? Look at that. Then I just need some highlighter. Oh, it's nap time. Is it nap time for you? You want to go night-night? Anyway, he found the phone, and he wanted to play with it. I'm going to use Master Chrome highlighter today. It's by Maybelline. I love these. Yeah, you're tired. This one's Molten Peach. It's my last step. It's my last step. So Mommy can be pretty. Oh yeah. I love this highlighter. Super good price. It works. Really good color. And I'm even going to put it in that inner corner. Smooth it out with my finger. That's it. Let's get a little fixing spray. Hold on, Mommy's gonna spray. Hold on. Close your eyes. Don't put it on you. No. Gavin, is it time to go night-night? No. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, that's all the time I have today. Time's up, and I'm done. I think I look okay. Enough to go to Target or take him to his little gym class or whatever we're going to do. And we're done. So just to recap the products for Jeffree Star, the new ones that I tried today. Where did it go, Gavin? Oh, here it is. The products that we tried today was the concealer and the setting powder. I'm going to be doing kind of a wear test today, and I'll be putting on my Instagram whether it lasted, how we like it, that kind of stuff later on. So please stay tuned for that. Gavin doesn't want to hear about it anymore. No, those are Mommy's. Thank you. Moms, how did that work for you? Did you like that makeup look? Can you handle it? Crazy, I know. But it's done, and this is it. This is my look. I know my hair is crazy, but don't look at my hair. I'm ready to go out on the town. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. We're gonna go have a nap. You guys have a great day. Bye!